Hey there everybody, welcome to episode 5 of the Gml Dev Show, your best source for GML help videos and requests. Today I'm going to be discussing how to use the exclamation mark in coding and also understanding the else statement. They're pretty similar, but they do have a couple different properties to them. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the exclamation mark. See the first line of code here? It says if keyboard check vk underscore space, then x plus equals 1. So, in the last episode, we talked about the if statement, how it suggests a possibility. So, if the key is being pressed, then move to the position just to the right of us, where x plus 1. But notice the second line of code here says if exclamation point, keyboard check vk underscore space, x negative equals 1. So, what's happening here is instead of it actually being pressed, it's checking if the key is not being pressed. And if so, then it'll move to the position just to the left of our current one. So it's pretty simple. You put it before the beginning of an expression where it will work, and it'll basically turn the value from true in if to false. Now also, we can use the else statement. It's pretty similar, but works a little bit differently. So we have it in another object here coded. It says if keyboard check vk underscore space image index equals 1. So if the key is being pressed, then go to that certain image within our sprite, and if it's not, then go to a different image. So what this else statement here does, it's similar to the exclamation mark, but it's basically saying if the above statement is not true, then perform a different task. So you don't have to write down if not keyboard check vk underscore space, but you can just say else. So it's more global and quicker to use in some areas. So basically, to show you what this actual will do, I've brought up a little example here. So notice the space bar there. It's not being pressed, but when I press the space key, it will change the sprite image index. So now instead of having image index 0, it's image index 1. And also notice our player, if it's not being pressed, he's moving to the left, and if it is, he's moving to the right, just like we coded. So I hope you understand that. If you have any questions about the show or would like to suggest episodes that we could do, then email us. That email is being on the website. This is James signing off.